In this video we will take a look at the slide of gallbladder. The slide is stained with modified green trichrome. That means that collagen fibers are green, muscle tissue is red, and nuclei and elastic fibers is dark, it's black. So the wall of a gallbladder consists of mucosa, here, muscularis, here, another layer, and a serosa or adventitia, here. So we will look at closely to the mucosa. Mucosa forms mucosal folds. Here is visible mucosa folds, and between the folds you can see crypts. For example, here it's visible crypts, and sometimes the crypts looks like a tubular gland in the cross section. So the surface and the crypts is lined with one layer of cuboidal or columnar cells. Here you can see very tall columnar epithelial cells, and on the apical surface of these cells it's a microvilli or brush border for the good resorption of water and to produce more concentrated bile. So here is an epithelium which covered by the wall of gallbladder. Also the crypt is lined with one layer of columnar epithelial cells. The underlining lamina propria consists of loose connective tissue with fibroblast, with fine collagen fibers, and blood vessels. Sometimes it's visible lymphatic tissue, but not in this case. The external to the lamina propria is the muscular layer. The bundles of randomly orientated smooth muscle fibers and sometimes visible elastic fibers between the smooth muscle bundles. Surrounding the bundles of smooth muscle fibers is a thick layer of dense connective tissue. Here it's adventitia or serosa. Serosa covers all the untouched gallbladder surface, and in the place where the gallbladder is attached to the liver surface, this connective tissue layer is adventitia. Adventitia is not covered by mesothelial cells, but serosa, here in this case, it's covered by mesothelial cells, mesothelial epithelium, and you can see squamous nuclei of the mesothelium here. So this is the dense connective tissue, and is covered by mesothelial cells. In the dense connective tissue you can find small or big blood vessels, also lymphatic vessels. Here it's lymphatic vessels, and also nerve fibers. Here it's a nerve fibers, sometimes adipose tissue, and that's all.